Okay, so hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Norbert Lukwai. That's the first time I've ever said my full name. Anyway, in this video, we're going to be looking at this particular error in Android Studio. So if you're going through a Android course and the contents from a couple of years ago, you might run into this error. It says could not initialize class org.codehaus.groovy.blah. Currently I'm using Android Studio Arctic Fox. So how you fix this is actually quite simple. Just come to your project structure. So it's either this little icon up on the menu bar up here, or you go to File and Project Structure. So as you can see, currently in Android Studio, I'm running the Android Gradle plugin version 3.4 and the Gradle version 5.1.1, and the latest one is 7.1 and 7.1.1. so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll up and look for the latest one. I'm going to choose 7.0.0. It is new enough, and I'm going to scroll up here as well and choose 7.1. I'm going to click apply, and Gradle should rebuild my project and the error should go away. Okay, so Android Studio's finished building, and as you can see, the build is now successful and the error is gone. You can now go on and finish your project as you will, and good luck with it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss whenever I post new videos like this. Every Tuesday I post about Android development, and Friday just general tech, and I'll see you in the next video.